Are you or your elderly parents moving to an apartment from a house? Here's help. So you're moving to an apartment. What do you do with all your favorite things you can't live without? Are your parents elderly and you're downsizing them? Sure, you can't take everything, but you probably can manage their most valued pieces. Admit it. We all have items that are precious to us and must be in the interior of our homes to make it home. Let's say grandma's chamber pot. Okay, maybe not that. But something. First, decide what you're able to afford as far as rent or mortgage. Then do an inventory of all things you wish to keep with you. If you're a pack rat, well, now's the time to go cold turkey and toss out some stuff, yard sale the good stuff, and save the best stuff for your new domain. Now, try to shop around and see how much space you can get for your buck. The bigger, the more you get to take with you. If you can afford the den or the extra room, take it. Perhaps you can sacrifice indoor space for a small yard to garden or tinker in. Okay, I know you will be taking the major elements with you, like the couch and coffee table, kitchen table and bedroom furnishings. Keep this in mind when looking at your new space. Take measurements with you. Don't assume it will fit. Measure the item length and width, height as well if needed. If you're older and need assistance, ask one of your children or grandchildren to help you. As you put the major elements into your new space, this is your chance to be an interior decorator yourself. Put the biggest pieces in first and on the biggest walls. Then bring in the small must-have items, coffee and end tables, lamps and so on. Now just because you were used to things a certain way, break out of the box, or cycle, and change it up some. Move things around this way and that way. Which looks better? When accessorizing the room, group things together that match or would normally be seen together. Say you collect old radios and they are here and there. Bring them together in one room, now arrange them to complement each other on a bookcase or shelf. Same with anything that you find collectible, dolls, trains, or if you're brave enough, glass things. Now for the walls. Perhaps you can turn some loved things into wall decor. Put small things together in a shadow box. Before hanging anything, arrange it on the floor or bed and see if it works together. Play around with it and be sure you want it where you put it. Measure from the ceiling to the desired height of the hanging area. This works great for pictures that need to be even horizontally. Space evenly to keep it uniform. Hope this article was informative and helpful. I have lots of free articles on my site as well. They cover all areas of home improvement tips as well as interior decorating. Gardening and landscaping too. If you're bored, pull up my site and get busy making some changes in your home or yard.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Transform your old articles and ebooks into brand new audio content and use it to create podcasts or videos for your YouTube or TV channel. Visit allsuper.info and ask our live support for details.